I'm gonna show you how to make a rain catcher. Okay, so first you're gonna like create a project. So the first step to make the rain is you have to make the rain first. To do that, we need a line. Select like a blue color. Select like a blue color. 64. That's a 2x21. So to make the raindrop, we need new flag clip hide because if it shows immediately, basically. So basically, we're trying to make it show later, which we can put a wait block. Next, we're gonna put a show block, and once we press the green flag, it will show. But put it in like 1 to 10 seconds. Okay, now we're finished. First, we need to go to all the way up. So we're gonna set these blocks to negative 240, which is all the way at the top. It's over here. Next, you're gonna have a repeat until which touching the edge of the floor. But first, we need to set it way lower because it's already touching the edge, and it's still like touching. It's still touching it. Okay, now this is good. Try like an easier amount, like 150. Okay, 150. So basically, we're gonna repeat until it touches the edge. And what's it gonna make it touch the edge? Change y by negative 10, which is going down. So basically, you make it. Now we're gonna make an if statement. If touching edge, then it's gonna hide. Then we're gonna make a new clone. We're gonna make a new clone, which is create clone of myself, which is gonna create a clone. When I start as a clone, we're basically gonna copy this. So basically, we're gonna copy this. So it's gonna copy itself. Okay, now we just made a ton of rain. That's really good. Next, let's put like every 0.5 seconds. We're gonna clone ourselves, which means that we have raindrops, which will make something like this. But later it will go way too fast. So we will set it to 0.75. So basically, the clones we do that 2 at a time. So at the clones, we will wait 0.25 seconds, which will make it slower. We will do the same, but with 1 second. Now we did that, it's getting faster every single time. But it's going way too fast soon. So we need to make it stop in 5 seconds. However long. I'll say 7 seconds. And basically, we will stop the whole script, which is stop all. Next, we'll start to the clone. every raindropper has to start from a different position. So I'll say like negative 100 to 100. So look, it spawns somewhere else. Yeah, that's really cool. Next we need to make the cloud. We'll name this cloud. And we will name this rain. Or you can call it drop. To make the cloud, you're going to select the circle with no outline. You're going to make it like a dark color. Make a circle. Copy and paste it. Make an even wider circle. I know it does not look like a cloud. But clouds are kind of made out of circles. Next, you're going to get the square. Hold shift and you're going to have this. You're going to duplicate it. The cloud should look like this. Next, at all times, you should put the rain should be following the raindrop. But when we make the clones, it will not like understand it. So let's delete this variable and let's make a new code X for all sprites only, so the cloud can see it. Let's hide the X when we start the game. Next, basically, we will set X. We will set our X position. Set X to X position forever. And we will do the same this as the clones. If you put Y, it's wrong. Because the cloud is gonna do something weird. So we're gonna set X. We're gonna set X. And let's set the Y to 115. Good job, but the cloud is kind of non-functioning. So why don't we plus X? Why don't we plus X 20? Okay, next we're gonna make the cloud hide. We're gonna make the cloud hide. So in the next 7 seconds, we need to hide. And we need to show. And once we did all of that, our project should look like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in another video.